Hello dear customer, I'm David from QLQ company, and today I want to show you our plastic zipper. And also the point I'm gonna show you is the slider. Reservable slider. You can use for two sides. If you work the clothing factory, you may interested in this product. It's very smooth by our plastic zipper. If you want some finished zipper, you can contact us and we can customize the special color for you. For example, this is the green color. The plastic tee is injected by green plastic, and we can also do it to the black tee. This is the black tee, and also the brown. This is brown tee. Dark brown tee, and all of it is depend on your customizing. And now I want to show you this zipper and also this slider. You see, it's reversible, two sides. We can make this slider for you, and let me wear it. Yeah, this is overcoat. It's a two-side. See, it's very smooth. This is our zipper. Now I change it to the other side. This is the two-side overcoat. Quick wearing. Turn the puller in the outside. This is also very cool. So if you want some zippers like this, you can contact us.